Cats sleep a lot, up to 16 hours a day. They love to curl up in cozy spots and take naps. When cats are happy, they purr. It's a soft, gentle sound that shows they're feeling good. Dogs are known as man's best friend. They love to be with their humans and are very loyal and friendly. Dogs love to play. They enjoy fetch, running around, and playing with toys like balls or sticks. Horse can run really, really fast. They can gallop like the wind. Horse have big feet called hooves. They need them to run fast and stay safe. Horse love to eat grass and hay. Sometimes, they eat yummy carrots and apples. Sheep have fluffy wool on their bodies. People use this wool to make warm clothes, like sweaters and blankets. Sheep love to eat grass and leaves. They spend a lot of time munching on food. Sleep together, sheep like to sleep close to each other, in groups called flocks. Pigs love to play in the mud. It helps keep them cool and clean. Pigs are really smart animals. They can learn tricks and even remember things. Pigs are not picky eaters. Cow give us milk. People use cow's milk to make cheese, butter, and ice cream. Cow have big ears and eyes. They use their ears to listen carefully to sounds around them. Cow love to eat grass. They spend most of their day munching on it. Duck love to swim in water. They can float on ponds and splash around in the water with their webbed feet. Duck have special webbed feet that help them swim easily. It's like having little paddles on their feet. Donkeys are really strong and hardworking. A long time ago, they were used to help work on farms. Donkeys have long ears. These big ears help them hear really well, so they can stay safe from danger. Rabbits have big, floppy ears that help them hear really well. They can even move their ears in different directions to listen closely. Rabbits love to hop around. They can jump really high and fast with their strong back legs. Goats love to climb. They can climb on rocks, trees, and even fences. They are very good at jumping and balancing. Goats like to eat lots of things, grass, leaves, even paper. but they especially love to munch on plants and shrubs. Roosters are known for crowing early in the morning. Their crowing is like a natural alarm clock. Roosters have bright, colorful feathers. The male roosters are usually more colorful than the hens, female chickens. Chickens say, cluck, cluck. It's a soft sound they make when talking to each other. Female chicken, called hens, lay eggs. These eggs can be different colors, like brown or white, and are used to make yummy food.